How can you become a fly girl using the LipSense color? Well, I'm glad you asked, because today we're going to cover that. Actually, Dunya, one of my partners here in Las Vegas, she's going to cover exactly how to do that with a little tutorial. Because, you know what I'm saying, it's good to look good every sometime, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we're going to cover that today in the next section.
Hello lovely ladies, this is Dunya and Tunis, and today I'm going to show you how to properly apply LipSense lip color, which is a long-lasting lip color that stays on for almost 18 hours. This is Fly Girl, and remember I already have Share Berry on, so I already have my first layer. This is going to be a second layer. I'm going to put it on a disposable applicator because I like my product to be nicely cleansed. I'm going to put it from one corner to the other corner. You could always go on top of your lip, which is fine, but do not move it back and forth, and do not smack your lips. Make sure that it's kind of dry, then you could kind of go over it if it feels dry, because it dries in 30 seconds. This color is fantastic. This is my favorite red.
As you can see, you can use Fly Girl as a layer on LipSense. And if you haven't already checked out the other videos on, you know, the before this process and a little bit after, you know what I'm saying, then make sure to go do that, because you get to learn how to get your beauty, you know what I'm saying, right? At least in the lip area, which is important, right? You know what I'm saying? Gotta look good, you know what I'm saying? Not me, just clearly. Woo. Alright, well, we have a special offer for you as well. If you use the discount code BEAUTY, you can get 30% off our anti-aging webinar, and that's just going to show you the root causes of aging and how you can really slow, stop, reverse premature aging by understanding, you know, what causes it and all that stuff. And, you know, there's oxidative stress and there's all a bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to have all that in the link, the description below. So make sure to check out that webinar, you know what I'm saying, and take advantage of that offer. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more video updates, and we will catch you in the next video.